Hello, I'm Vinchika Rohera, an applications engineer at Analog Devices, and today I'll be unboxing the ADMX3001, a 4-channel high-voltage source measure unit, and showing you how easy it is to set up and start using for your testing needs. The ADMX3001 is an ideal solution for ATE test environments needing a flexible, precise source with 4-quadrant operation for both voltage and current measurements. Its advanced design ensures this all-in-one Smu board meets the demands of performance-sensitive and cost-effective applications. Inside the box, you'll find the ADMX3001 board along with all the necessary accessories to get started. So this is the ADMX3001 board. This design has 2 FMC connectors for interfacing with a controller board. For the controller board, you will need the Xilinx KCU105 FPGA to run the proprietary software and firmware. The KCU105 comes with a power block and 2 micro USB cables. Connect these to your PC. Power on the KCU105 and then open Vivado 2022 Lab Edition and download the firmware provided. To flash the KCU105, you need to open the Vivado Hardware Manager and open the target to connect with the FPGA board. This will load for a few seconds. Next, right-click and then add a configuration memory device and search for the correct memory device. Once added, you can select the firmware file and flash it to the board. Once programmed, you will need to power cycle the KCU105. Next, connect the ADMX3001 to your controller board. This connection allows for seamless communication between the FPGA and the control of the Smu. First, power on the KCU105 and then power on the ADMX3001 board. Now let's talk about setting up the software. The ADMX3001 can be controlled through a command line interface like PuTTY as well as the ADMX3001 ACE plugin. Start by installing the necessary driver. It is the USB to UART driver from Silicon Labs. Now let's walk through using the CLI through PuTTY. Once a driver has been installed, please open the Device Manager to view the COM port that is connected to show the KCU105. It should be labeled the standard COM port. To set up the PuTTY interface, select the serial and then add port number seen in Device Manager. Make sure to change the baud rate to 115200 before opening the session. To make a measurement, configure your test setup using the Terminal Interface or ACE software plugin. You can quickly adjust voltage and current ranges, set up sweeps, and monitor the performance in real time. Let's walk through doing a basic source measurement using PuTTY. To force a voltage, first select your channel, then voltage range, and then set the voltage. Next, you can enable the channel and go. You should see the voltage at the output using a DMM or a scope, and you can measure the voltage as well using the Measure All command. Now let's try forcing a current. I'm connecting a 100 ohm load to the output. You'll first select the channel, then change the force mode to current, select the current range, and then the current value. Next, you will enable and then go, and you can run the same Measure All command. When you are done running, remember to abort. We hope this unboxing and quick start guide for the ADMX3001's Smu evaluation system helps you get up and running quickly. For a comprehensive overview, deeper insights, and further guidance, please visit analog.com/eval-ADMX3001. There you will find additional resources, including the user guide and detailed setup instructions to power your way to success with a compact, cost-effective, high-performance Smu solution. Thank you for watching and happy testing.